In this video, you will learn how to use count function in Excel. Count function returns the number of cells that contains numerical data. That means numbers. Let me show you how count function works on different types of data. Here in this column, I will just type equal to count. Select the number of cells you want to use in this formula. Okay. You can also select whole column or whole row as per your requirement. Press enter. It has written 0 since there are no numbers in this column. This value cannot be considered as number. Excel consider this as a text. Okay. Now let's try on this column. It has written 4 because there is a empty cell in the middle. That is why it has written 4. Okay. So Excel does not count empty cells in this function. Let's see what happens in this column. It has written 5 because there are all numerical values. Here there is a special character. It is also not counted in the count function. Okay. So only numerical values, these two. So that's why it has written 2. I hope you like this video. See you in next video.